fight to protect themselves and let God.
They didn't fight.
Well, I think that's what she was saying.
That's what she means. The followers of Moses were made to fight, and as long as they did not, the promise which was given to them was not fulfilled. It was told to them that you defer till such time as you prepare yourself. If they had fought as they were destined to fight, then within 40 years of the Exodus, they should have got to the Holy Land. But they were still halfway in the desert, because when they were told to fight, they said, "Oh Moses, you go and you and your Lord and fight it out. When you conquer the city, then we will follow you. As long till that time we just sit here." So Allah said, "Okay, you keep sitting, and I'm not going to fulfill my promise until you behave yourself." So until they learned how to fight, until they had courage enough to fight it out, the promises were not fulfilled. So you are ill-informed if you think that they got everything without having to put in any effort on their own part.